Hi everyone, this is Annette. I'm here with another collaboration, and this one is the Look for Less challenge. And this challenge is hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door and Sarah from Creative Rumbling. And here's what we'll be working with. We have the peel and stick paper with the wood grain look. We have cardboard. We have paint. We have shelf liner. And also we have styrofoam. Okay, let's get started. For any area that you want to use this, it's somewhat like a painting and a mixture of cutouts. So you'll see as we go along, but if you want a design area that you want to put a feather painting in, a wall art, then measure your cardboard for that area that you need. I didn't want to do a big painting because I have one that's coming in a video soon to come. So I decided to do a little twist on this one. Okay, so follow along and I hope you enjoy the end results. Now this is a technique that I put together to get a whitewash look and also to get the crackle look. So I did a video before using the same paint technique with glue, and 1 part glue and 2 part paint. And this is a way of me showing you another way you can achieve that same results, but at a quicker pace where you don't have to leave it overnight. This it dries in no time at all, and it gives you almost the same look. So now I'm just taking the shelf liner and repeatedly putting it on to draw some of the paint out. And as you can see, I used the fork to score the paint once it was on. Then I used the shelf liner to go over to pick up some of the paint. In case you didn't see the feather wall art at the beginning, this is the one I decided to go with, which was like the third one that I had seen on Etsy and also Zgallerie. I looked at some at Zgallerie, but this is the one I decided to go with. The wood grain feather look. And here I'm showing you how I created a pattern, the feather pattern, and I'm demonstrating to you how you can do it with the wood grain peel and stick paper. I needed a pattern for the feather. Then, after deciding on what size I wanted, I doubled the paper to cut 2. Don't forget to go check out the playlist for this challenge, and I'll have it listed below once it's available. And remember, with these collaborations, we're trying to build our family community. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. After completely cutting it out, you want to carefully place it on the painting. It's still wet, so be very careful. Now you can wait until it's completely dry before you attach the feather, but this is just another way of doing it. And this feather do look like a leaf, I have to admit, but it's actually the feather drawing that we're going for. This is just another way I'm showing you that you can do this, is take branches from the outside and edge the painting that way. This is just another look. I didn't want to do the branch trim, so I decided to do the styrofoam, to use the styrofoam. And this is me showing you how I'm using that same peel and stick paper to cover the styrofoam. So just to show you, this is what we're trying to go for. And this is the look that I've achieved. I would like to thank Yami from the Latina Next Door and Sarah from Creative Rumblings. Okay, now once you do have your cover styrofoam, platform. Now you want to score it. And once you score it to the length of your painting, you want to put glue on the inside and then stick your painting on the inside of that to secure it. And that's securing your painting in place. And once you secure your painting on the inside, then we're done. Etsy for the exact price of the wall art. Okay, so from $75 to $10 or less. Okay, did you enjoy that? Comment down below and let me know. I do weekly home decor and DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below. And to all my subscribers, thank you, amores. See you next time.